We have this, what shall I say, more like a friend, their family is now.
I'm not aware of what is going to happen and all.
And the plan is to impact it by about 6 millimeters and also take it back by 5 millimeters. For a submental intubation, not closing, otherwise we corrected the gummy smile. And it'll even get better, okay? This swelling here will get better. So we have this, what shall I say, more like a friend, their family is now. And we're going to plan jaw surgery for their second daughter. So we've done all the planning. I've done the scans, we've done the mock surgery. We're going to be working on both the jaws. Before I get into what we're going to do, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. So we did a procedure for her elder sister several years ago, 8 years,
7 years.
7 years ago, and she's here, and she's gonna tell you first about her experience. You can tell them.
Actually, I was in 8th standard at that time, and I was totally afraid of what is happening there and everything. And actually, before that, I was suffering a lot with this gummy smile issue. So I at that time I just knew about Dr. Sunil Richardson, and I came here to consult him. And after that, I was a kid at that time. I don't know whether what is going to happen. And after that, the surgery had done successfully.
Yes.
And now I am totally happy with all those things.
And now it's what, 7 years since we
years.
had the surgery. Are you having any problem at all?
No, I don't have
No
any
problem. Awesome. And anybody finds out anything with your face?
No.
Nothing. And remember, we've put lots of plates and screws for her as well. And many of my patients, many of your subscribers keep wondering what happens to these plates and screws over years. And now she's one of them who's willing to say a lot of the
I
patients.
just removed that plate.
Yeah, we removed them some years ago.
After 1 year.
After 1 year.
1 or 2 years.
So in her case, we removed the plates too. Why did you remove it? You had some problem with them?
I am suffering from allergy.
Okay,
Just
so she was having some allergic
I'm
issues.
sneezing. While I'm sneezing, I feel something like something inside like this.
And also, what about the braces? Did you have braces after that or before?
No.
No braces before, no braces after.
No. Plain. Like
Eterna. So she had some braces.
Actually, I'm not aware of what is going to happen and all. But after that, I feel so happy. And my experience with the doctor and other staffs here was very nice. And these people are caring me a lot. Were caring me a lot. And it was such a good experience.
When your friends meet you now, and do they have any idea about the kind of surgery?
No. They
Nobody
don't
knows.
have any ideas like that. And after my surgery, there was a big crowd near me.
Okay.
They was thinking like that. They was thinking like, what a miracle has happened here. Just because after a few weeks before a few weeks, they met me like that, the
Correct.
previous me, and after that, what change was happened, they're not aware of that. They
Correct.
don't know anything about that. And it
Yeah,
changed
that gives
a
me
lot.
joy when you say that. And what did Ninuko Ormenda? You don't remember, no? You remember also? She was still in a
She was in 5th standard at that
I
time.
didn't remember much at that time. Yeah. Okay. So she is very scared in spite of the fact that her sister had undergone some similar jaw surgery. Now we've done all the plans for her, and you can see she's got gummy smile. It's vertical and also little horizontal maxillary excess. We're going to be taking care of all of that in one go. I've told her that maybe 20% chance she might need to undergo braces, but like in her sister's case, wasn't needed. But if it's needed, then we will plan for that. Our orthodontist will start with the braces treatment later on. So the plan is we're going to be giving her a small nick there to incubate, so that we are not going to have the whole skeleton masked with the tube. We want the whole face exposed, so there will be some dental intubation, and then we're going to be impacting the upper jaw, and the plan is to impact it by about 6 millimeters and also take it back by 5 millimeters in an angular fashion, so that the lip support is good. We also try and keep her width of the nose similar. It's quite nice, her nose, just that the jaws are a little bit not proportional. So we will, when we impact the upper jaw, the width of the nasal base can increase a little bit. So in order to prevent that, I would have to do work around this aspect of the bony jaw. So I call that piriformoplasty. Also some work on the septum, and obviously some stitches like cinch to make sure the nasal form doesn't get deformed or stays the way it does right now. Okay, so we're going to start the surgery in a couple of hours from now. We're all ready, and thank you a lot for having agreed for this.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye. For a submental intubation. Got some eyelids there which should be removed after surgery. Okay. Bimax surgery. We're going to show you how she looked just now. Look at that. So that's how she was, and that's how she is. And the lips are going to be competent. It's just that the surgery is over now, not closing. Otherwise, we corrected the gummy smile, improved the proportions, even changed the shape of the lip. Open your mouth. Smile. Okay. So there's still a little bit of some swelling and things here, but it's by and large quite okay. How's your bite? No, like you're feeling it normal now? You're able to chew and eat? Awesome. That's good. That's usually what takes the longest time to settle. Any pain anywhere? Huh? എവിടെ പെയിൻ ഉണ്ട് ലൈറ്റായിട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട് എനിത്തിങ് ലൈക്ക് numbness മരവിച്ച പോലെ no numbness anywhere. Okay, very nice. So some pain is there in this side. Other than that, there is no discomfort. Pain, when is it there? വെറുതെ ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ when you are eating ഭക്ഷണം? Now you're having pain? ഇല്ല. Jointly. Because other ഉണ്ടാവും ചിലപ്പോൾ because the jaw position is changed അല്ലേ ഇപ്പം മൂവ്മെന്റ് എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. We've moved the jaws, so that can happen. അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുക. That will become all right over a few weeks. Because the new jaw joint will take some time for adjustment. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ, nothing more than that. Okay, so the pain here, there is still swelling. That will go away, and we'll remove those what's that, sutures today. So he will heal nicer. Smile. Yeah, that's nice. And it'll even get better. Okay, this swelling here will get better. This swelling here will get better. You want to see? I mean, on the mirror or something? No? Okay.
We have already seen that Facebook post.
No, it was Instagram.
Facebook.
Really?
Yeah. Before and after.
Oh, it's gone on Facebook, is it? Okay. It was on Instagram, I think. Anyway, it's healed well. So all you have to do is give it some more time. It's what now? 2 weeks or more?
Now it's 3.
3 weeks after surgery?
1 month.
Huh?
20.
Yes, 1 month.
സർജറി എന്ന് ചെയ്തത് നമുക്ക്
14.
ഓക്കെ
14th.
Okay, so it's fine. So, you don't have to come. Maybe you can come after 3 months or 4 months or 6 months or something like that. We'll finish all the treatment today. They'll remove the sutures because 1 month over almost, and they're still hanging around. So she'll get more comfortable if you remove the sutures. Now you see, her face looks like her sister's. First thing I noticed was that she used to look very different from her sister before. You remember that? But now, suddenly there's like sister thing happening. Alright, that's interesting. You wait for summertime, she look more like your sister, I think now. Done. Even when my doctor started telling sutures, right, we'll remove all the sutures and you can have normal diet since you're not having any issues with your bites. The pain, the discomfort will be there for a while. The jaws will close more now, and some alteration will take place in the condylar position of the lower jaw, because that's the only jaw that is hinging and moving. We have not removed that. We only moved everything else. Upon that closure, these things are there. But good thing for you, no numbness. 2 most complaints people say you are not having. What is the most common complaint? Some numbness at 1 month. Second most common complaint people say little difficult in biting and eating food. These are 2 main complaints after bimaxillary surgery or after both jaw surgery. But you are not having both. So I'm very happy. That means healing is very good, everything. Why she's having pain in the joint, I think, is because she's already started eating to a certain extent. So it's in the new position, it's just feeling a little different. That will become alright. Some pain in this side is probably because of the anesthesia site. There it is little hard. So that we will take some sutures from inside, that will also go away. And that's it. We can take maybe in the night 1 tablet for the swelling if you want. Otherwise just leave her alone. Nature will take care and it will all become fine very soon. She doesn't need braces as far as I'm concerned. She's able to eat well. So we've not done any braces either before nor after. If you want to get that small 1 millimeter gap between the teeth, angana cheriya paripadine matram, you'll have to plain something that you talk to the orthodontist, whichever they want. But you can go for that if you want. But if it's not for that, you can leave her alone. Innum korchu samayam avumbo it will settle down. Innum ivida some weaker is there. That face is still going to get even more better. Like hers become smooth and nice and over like that it will become. Correct. It's little faster healing. അത് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല, മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ചില പേഷ്യൻസിന് നമുക്ക് 3 മാസം ആകുമ്പോൾ നംനെസ് പറയുക, ചില പേഷ്യൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ 3 ആഴ്ച ആകുമ്പോൾ നംനെസ് ഇല്ല പറയുക. ദിസ് ഇസ് ഓൾ മെഡിക്കൽ സയൻസ്. സർജറി ഇസ് നോട്ട് ലൈക്ക് മാത്സ്. 1+1 is not 2 for everybody. ചിലർക്ക് 1.5, ചിലർക്ക് 3.5. So it's good that she's recovered well, everything is fine. നിങ്ങൾ ഫോട്ടോ അയച്ചായിരുന്നില്ല? I was surprised. That was almost 3 months post-op photo, but it's 3 weeks. That's why I called them to. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിച്ചായിരുന്നില്ലേ? I told them that you should come because I didn't see you last time, and so if anything is there or something, anyway, this week I'll see. Okay, nice to see you. Take care. Bye.
She is very happy.
Well, yeah, she should be happy. She's a brave girl. She's gone through a lot of pain and everything without complaining, without making one noise she never made. Ideal patient. No jokes. I have patients who are very problematic sometimes. Fussy. Girls, അവർക്ക് ഒരു ചെറിയ ഇഞ്ചക്ഷൻ ഇടുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുക എടുത്തില്ല, they'll make noise. She was like super. Nobody had any issues. And it pains, I'll tell you. Bimaxillary surgery is not small. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാം പിന്നെ. But it's like, it's a procedure that I have had patients who have told me 3 months I have not felt normal. So that means some healing is happening, muscles are attaching. It all takes a while. And some patients have difficulty biting also. Because that position they'll not get, because all are in new position. But for her, fortunately, all of that is good. And right, so we'll see you. And probably she's lost some weight also, or no? You lost some weight? So she'll be happy with that also. Correct? ठीक है. Bye bye. You can come anytime if you want, 1 or 2 months or 3 months if you're coming this side. Otherwise, I particularly don't have to see you. Chalo, bye. Bye bye.